Hey y'all, I'm Carolina Tony. This may be the most important video that you watch today. Well, at least for me. Let's go inside and I'll tell you what I'm talking about. Woo. YouTube. You know, I've always said that if it's not broken, don't try to fix it. But YouTube is constantly trying to fix things. A lot of my friends and subscribers have sent me comments, phone calls, emails telling me we're not getting notifications. So we don't know when you put videos out. Of course, I say every Monday and every Friday without fail for the last 5 years, I've uploaded videos every Monday and Friday. But that's okay. People forget. I know I do. So I rely on those notifications. I have channels that I follow and I rely on those notifications. So I decided to do some research. And here's what I found out. And I'm going to show you what you can do so you'll get notified for every video that we put out. And I'm going to be honest with you, I rely on you watching these videos to offset the costs that it costs to make them. And I appreciate all the views, but let me show you what you can do. If you go to your phone and you go to a YouTube channel, here is a channel that I follow. Some friends of mine from it is a channel called Beaching with the Boons. It is some friends of mine down in Myrtle Beach. They do a lot of exploring around Myrtle Beach and showing people just what's there. Real good channel, so y'all go check it out. Beaching with the Boons. But anyway, here's what you do. If you'll see right here, right there, that little bell, you always hear people say, and you hear me say, ring that bell so you'll be notified of all of our videos that we put out. Well, that don't necessarily cut the mustard anymore. You have to click that bell, and then you'll see it says, it gives you options, all, personalized, none, or unsubscribe. Well, if you put personalized, that means that you are going to let YouTube decide what videos that they think you want to watch. So press all, click the all, and that way you'll be notified of every video that I put out. Not what YouTube decides. So hey, who's in control here anyway? Now, if you go to your PC, and that's how I prefer to watch videos, is through the PC or through my TV. Only problem is through the TV, I don't have a whole lot of control other than watching. But basically the same thing here. Go to the bell, click it, and click all. And there you go. And if you do that, you'll get notified of every video that I put out. Unless YouTube decides they want to pull some kind of stunt again. Anyway, let's hope they don't. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a good day.